In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up activity categories in Clio Manage. To get started, log in to your Clio Manage account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Activities. This is where Clio Manage organizes the work related to time entries and expenses, so it's the right place to create and manage categories that help keep your billing organized. After you open the Activities section, go to the upper right corner of the page and click Manage Categories. This will open the area where you can view existing categories and create new ones. If you're setting this up for the first time, this is where you'll begin building the structure your team will use when recording billable work and expenses. Next, click New Activity Category. This starts the setup process for a brand new category. You'll then be asked to choose the category type. Here, select either time entry category or expense category, depending on what you want this category to be used for. A time entry category is helpful for organizing billable work, while an expense category is used for costs that need to be tracked or billed appropriately. Once you've selected the category type, enter a name for the activity category. Choose a name that is clear and easy to recognize, since this label will appear when creating future entries. Keeping your naming consistent can make your records easier to navigate later on. After that, choose the billing method and currency. This step is important because it determines how the category will behave when used in billing. Be sure to select the options that match how your firm tracks and invoices this type of activity. You'll then move on to permissions. Select the appropriate permission groups so the right users can access and use the category. If needed, you can also enable Visible to Co-Counsel. This is useful when you want the category to be available in matters involving co-counsel collaboration. Taking a moment here to review visibility settings can help avoid confusion later. When everything looks correct, click Save Category. Your new activity category will now be created and stored in Clio Manage. From this point forward, the category will be available whenever you create a time entry or an expense entry, depending on the type you selected earlier. That means your team can start using it right away to keep activity tracking more accurate and more organized. Thanks for watching.